All right, guys. Well, let's go. Everybody.
Are you not gonna put your seatbelt on or what?
Why would I want to wear my seatbelt?
Well, inertia might get you.
Well, what's inertia?
You know, a tendency for an object to move or stay at rest. You go straight through the window.
Well, whatever. YOLO, right?
Is that a person you're about to hit? Stop the car! Stop the car! Stop! You should have worn your seatbelt.
I can't feel my legs!
Oh God, no, 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 no.
On.
2 people died. Wait, seatbelt. And I'm the only one here. I gotta get it. Why aren't people safe?
A lovely day to be a pedestrian and not look both ways.
You ruined the shot!
You ruined.
Wait, are you...
Yeah.
Is there a light that comes...